pie down.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, it's just a piece of advice that I'm trying to give you guys regarding creating YouTube channels. Alright, firstly, I am Valeboyo. I have to introduce myself. Okay, what I'm trying to say is consistency. Consistency is the key when creating a YouTube channel, guys. That's number one. Never give up, guys. You know, when you get 2 to 3 viewers, like uploading a video, never give up, guys. Give up is not good, guys. Not good when uploading a video, and when you see 2 to 3 viewers in maybe 4 days, 5 days, and then you sometimes, you know, think that, oh my goodness, I can't do it. Man, never give up. Yeah. Alright, that's first. Never give up. Consistency, guys. Alright, putting a thumbnail in order, guys. Maybe your face reacting to something. Thumbnail is a key, guys, because when everyone visits the YouTube, they always look at the first cover. What is happening? What is the video all about? First, they will see your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the key, guys. Secondly, guys. Secondly, the quality of the video. Quality of the video and the audio, guys. Make sure the video that you're uploading must be clear and perfect to the audience, to the viewers. When they see your contents, they will happy, and then they will scroll to your next video again. Key quality of your video and audio, guys. The content that you're providing, guys. Alright. Secondly, you know, hashtags that you're gonna use. Hashtags must be related to the content that you're uploading. You don't have to just put any hashtags unnecessarily, guys. Remember, content that you're uploading must match the hashtag, so that when audience search to a video, for example, how to cook, and then the hashtags that you will put, how to cook, cook, hashtag cooking tutorials, cooking, something like that, right? Yep, hashtags. And yep, guys, never give up. And I will be coming up with my next video about my second YouTube channel that I have created. Within 2 weeks, I have reached 1,000 subscribers, guys, which is unbelievable. And I will be sharing that to you guys. And make sure to follow this content, guys. Alright, tell your friends to subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe also. And thank you so much for watching. Love you all, guys. Boom.
Proudly brought to you by NCL Tech.